When it comes to Beyonce, one thing is for sure, she knows how to make a statement. That's exactly what the 40-year-old did on the latest cover of Vogue UK when she stunned in a slew of gorgeous outfits including a skin-tight, long-sleeve black velvet gown. On the cover, Bey rocked a massive feather headpiece that looked like a halo surrounding her head. The turtleneck gown featured long, glove sleeves and a fitted bodice while the hem of the skirt was pleated. She topped her look off with a pair of sky-high black patent leather-heeled boots. In another gorgeous photo from the shoot, Bey looked like Cleopatra when she wore a dazzling gold bedazzled Schiaparelli haute couture coat that was embroidered with sequins, crystal mesh, vintage jewels, and Swarovski rhinestones. The coat had a plunging neckline and Bey chose to wear nothing underneath, revealing ample cleavage. She accessorized with huge gold-plated and rhinestone earrings from the same designer, featuring massive planets dangling down. As if Beyonce's looks couldn't get any sexier, she rocked a Harris Reed ensemble featuring a strapless pink and black corset with a pair of skin-tight sequined leggings, and a long red silk train. She styled her outfit with a pair of knee-high pink platform boots embellished with lace by Harris Reed and Roker. She also rocked a huge pink feather headpiece by Harris Reed and Vivian Lake, as well as a platinum and diamond necklace by Tiffany. One photo pictured Beyonce riding a motorcycle in a full black leather outfit featuring a patchwork leather jacket by Junya Watanabe, vinyl leggings by Commando, boots by Harris Reed and Roker, a beaded leather headpiece with silver studs by Malachi, and a pair of white gold and diamond earring by Lorraine Schwartz.